Have you ever wondered if something ordinary in your kitchen could hold extraordinary benefits for your health? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of baking soda, a simple, affordable ingredient that might just be the secret weapon you've been missing. Whether you're battling joint aches, sluggish energy, stubborn weight gain, or just the everyday wear and tear that comes with age, the truth might be hiding in that small box on your shelf. And the best part? It costs less than $1. I know it sounds too good to be true. After all, we've all seen those flashy ads for miracle supplements and trendy detoxes. But sometimes, the most effective solutions are hiding in plain sight. In this video, we're going to explore the science, history, and real-life applications of baking soda for overall wellness. Get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about aging and health, and discover how a common kitchen staple can potentially transform your life, especially if you're over 50. Section 1. Relieving joint pain and inflammation. Let's start by addressing one of the most common complaints among those of us who are past our prime: joint pain and chronic inflammation. It's not uncommon to wake up with stiff knees or aching hands, or to feel that inexplicable twinge in your joints as the seasons change. Many people assume it's simply the result of years of wear and tear. However, modern research suggests that the issue may run deeper. Over time, our immune systems can become confused and overactive, leading to unnecessary inflammation even when there isn't any apparent injury. Here's where baking soda enters the picture. Studies have shown that a small daily dose of this alkaline compound can help to calm an overreacting immune system. For example, a research team from a reputable medical college discovered that participants who incorporated baking soda into their daily routine experienced a notable drop in inflammatory markers. Some even reported a 30 to 40% decrease in joint pain and swelling within just a few weeks. Imagine waking up with a newfound sense of ease, where the stiffness that once greeted your mornings is noticeably diminished. Instead of relying solely on painkillers or expensive creams, consider this simple remedy. A half teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water after a meal or a warm, soothing bath with a full cup of baking soda could make all the difference. It's a gentle, affordable, and time-tested method that may support your body's natural ability to reduce inflammation and ease joint discomfort. Section 2. Revving up your metabolism, aiding weight loss, and regulating blood sugar. If you're over 50, you might have noticed that maintaining a healthy weight becomes increasingly challenging. Despite eating well and staying active, stubborn fat can cling to your waist and energy levels may seem to plummet. This isn't simply a matter of willpower or lifestyle choices. It's a physiological change that comes with aging. One significant factor is the gradual shift in your body's pH balance. As we age, our bodies tend to become more acidic, which in turn can interfere with how our cells respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. When insulin sensitivity declines, your body struggles to move sugar from the bloodstream into your cells. The result? An increased tendency to store fat and even a reduced ability to burn energy efficiently. But there's hope. Baking soda, being inherently alkaline, can help balance your body's pH. When the pH is stabilized, insulin functions more effectively, and your cells become better at absorbing sugar. This not only improves energy utilization but also promotes fat burning, even during rest. Harvard Medical School conducted research indicating that individuals who consumed alkaline-forming compounds, including baking soda, saw a significant boost in metabolic efficiency, around 12% improvement. This is not a magic trick, it's a reflection of how a more balanced pH can lead to better overall cellular function. Additionally, baking soda appears to play a role in reducing levels of ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger. By taming those persistent cravings, it can help you maintain a healthier relationship with food. One practical way to incorporate this into your morning routine is to mix a half teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of warm water and a splash of freshly squeezed lemon juice. The lemon not only adds a pleasant tang but also supports digestion and liver function. Drinking this mix before breakfast can set the tone for the day by promoting balanced pH levels, boosting your metabolism, and curbing those early cravings that often lead to snacking. Section 3. Natural detoxification, supporting your liver and kidneys. Our bodies are remarkably adept at detoxifying themselves every day. The liver and kidneys work tirelessly, filtering out toxins from the food we eat, the air we breathe, and even from the products we use. However, as we age, these organs can become overwhelmed. The result is a less efficient detox process, leading to a buildup of harmful substances in the body. Enter baking soda again. This humble powder can help ease the workload on your liver and kidneys by maintaining a more alkaline environment in your body. When the blood is too acidic, these vital organs have to expend extra energy to restore balance, often leading to diminished performance over time. A landmark study published in a respected medical journal observed that individuals with early signs of kidney dysfunction who took small doses of baking soda daily experienced a significant slowdown in the progression of kidney disease, by as much as 67%. What does this mean for you? Simply that baking soda could potentially help your kidneys operate more efficiently by mitigating the burden of acid buildup. In addition to internal consumption, another effective method to support your detox system is through a gentle foot soak. Your feet, often overlooked, are the largest surface area for detoxification in the body. Fill a basin or foot tub with warm water, add half a cup of baking soda, and perhaps a dash of apple cider vinegar. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes. This simple, relaxing practice can stimulate circulation, help draw out toxins, and provide a soothing break after a long day. By incorporating these methods, whether by drinking a diluted solution of baking soda or enjoying a weekly foot soak, you're giving your liver and kidneys a much-needed assist. It's a natural way to ensure your body's internal cleaning crew can keep up with the demands of modern life, ultimately helping you feel more energetic and balanced. Section 4. Boosting energy and enhancing physical stamina. Have you ever felt like your energy levels are not quite what they used to be? Perhaps a brisk walk or a light workout leaves you feeling unexpectedly fatigued. While it's easy to chalk this up to aging, there's more to the story. One factor that can sap your energy is the accumulation of lactic acid in your muscles during physical activity. Lactic acid is a byproduct of metabolism, and in excess, it can lead to that burning sensation that forces you to slow down. Baking soda acts as a buffer in your body. It helps neutralize excess acid, including lactic acid. Research published in a reputable physiology journal has demonstrated that pre-exercise consumption of baking soda can boost endurance by roughly 20 to 23%. For anyone over 50, this could mean the difference between feeling winded halfway through a walk and finishing with a sense of accomplishment. If you're preparing for an activity, consider mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water about 30 to 60 minutes before you start. This pre-activity ritual can enhance your muscle performance and delay the onset of fatigue. Some people even add a small pinch of sea salt to support electrolyte balance, particularly on warm days when you're likely to sweat more. This isn't just a tool for athletes. Whether you're gardening, doing housework, or simply trying to keep up with your grandchildren, a small boost in stamina can transform your day. It's a simple, accessible way to help your muscles work more efficiently, so you can enjoy the activities you love without constantly feeling drained. Section 5. Unexpected historical and everyday uses of baking soda. Baking soda's benefits extend far beyond personal health. It has an intriguing history and a myriad of uses that have made it a household hero in more ways than one. Let's travel back in time to see how this unassuming powder has played pivotal roles in critical moments. Consider the Apollo 13 space mission. In 1970, the spacecraft encountered a serious malfunction, and carbon dioxide levels inside the cabin began to rise dangerously. With no high-tech solution readily available, the engineers on the ground improvised a solution using the materials they had on hand, including baking soda. They built a makeshift air filter that helped scrub the excess carbon dioxide, ultimately saving the lives of the astronauts. This ingenious use of baking soda during a crisis underscores its versatility and reliability. History also offers lessons from less dramatic, but no less important, times. During the Spanish flu pandemic of 1918, before the advent of modern medical treatments, some doctors observed that patients who took small daily doses of baking soda tended to recover faster and suffered fewer complications. Although modern science has advanced significantly, contemporary studies still support baking soda's role in moderating the immune response and reducing inflammation during infections. Beyond these life-saving applications, baking soda is a powerful tool in everyday life. It can be used as a first-aid remedy for minor injuries. For instance, if you're stung by a bee or experience a mild skin irritation, a paste made from baking soda and water can help neutralize the pain and reduce swelling. If you accidentally start a small grease fire in the kitchen, sprinkling baking soda over the flames can help smother the fire by releasing carbon dioxide. A quick thinking trick that might just save your kitchen. Even in daily beauty routines, baking soda finds its place. Professional swimmers sometimes rinse off with a diluted solution after pool sessions to neutralize the harsh effects of chlorine. Similarly, some people over 50 use a gentle baking soda rinse on their scalp to reduce itchiness or remove product buildup, proving that this powder can be both a health enhancer and a beauty aid. These stories are not just fascinating trivia, they illustrate the incredible adaptability of baking soda. It's a reminder that sometimes the solutions to our modern challenges lie in the simplest, most unpretentious tools we already possess. Section 6. Practical guidelines and safe usage. As with any natural remedy, it's important to use baking soda wisely. Even though it's generally safe, more is not always better. Let's go over some practical guidelines to help you incorporate baking soda into your routine safely and effectively. Internal use. When it comes to drinking baking soda solutions, moderation is key. A common recommendation is to limit your intake to no more than 1/2 teaspoon per serving, and not to exceed a total of 1 teaspoon per day. Splitting your dose, say, one serving in the morning and another after a meal, can help your body maintain a balanced pH without overwhelming your stomach. Remember, your stomach acid is vital for digestion, so it's important not to neutralize it completely. Topical applications. If you're using baking soda as a scrub or a paste for minor skin irritations, use it sparingly. Due to its alkaline nature, overuse can strip your skin of its natural oils. Limit such applications to once or twice a week and always follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin's balance intact. Baths and soaks. Baking soda baths are a relaxing way to ease inflammation and soothe tired muscles. A typical recommendation is 1 cup of baking soda in a warm bath. However, keep your bath water at a comfortable temperature and limit your soak to around 20 minutes. This ensures you receive the benefits without risking dryness or irritation. Combining with other substances. You might be tempted to mix baking soda with other cleaning agents like vinegar, especially when cleaning your kitchen. While the fizzy reaction may look impressive, it actually neutralizes the cleaning properties of both ingredients. Instead, use baking soda first to scrub away grime, and then follow up with a separate application of vinegar if needed. Consulting with your doctor. Finally, if you have any pre-existing conditions, particularly high blood pressure, kidney disease, or if you are on a sodium-restricted diet, it's essential to consult with your doctor before beginning any regular baking soda regimen. Though generally safe, its high sodium content could pose issues for certain individuals. By adhering to these guidelines, you can safely tap into the many benefits that baking soda offers without any adverse side effects. Section 7. Reclaiming your health with simplicity. What we've uncovered today is more than just a list of practical uses. It's a broader lesson about the wisdom of simplicity. In a world where new products and complex solutions are constantly pushed at us, we sometimes overlook the tried and true methods that have been around for decades, or even centuries. Baking soda isn't a cure-all. It won't replace your doctor or your prescribed medications. Instead, think of it as a valuable supplement, a small, accessible tool that can help support your body's natural processes. Whether it's reducing joint inflammation, aiding metabolic function, detoxifying your system, or even giving you a quick energy boost, this everyday substance has a quiet, powerful impact on overall wellness. For those of us over 50, managing health becomes less about chasing the latest miracle and more about understanding and nurturing our bodies with consistent, thoughtful habits. Incorporating baking soda into your routine might be one of those simple habits that, over time, makes a significant difference. Imagine feeling less stiffness in the mornings, having a steadier energy level throughout the day, and even noticing subtle improvements in your metabolism. It's about working with your body, not against it. We've seen how baking soda can be an effective ally during times of physical stress, whether it's during a workout or as a gentle detox for your liver and kidneys. More importantly, it has a rich history of being used in critical moments, from space missions to past pandemics, proving that sometimes the most unassuming solutions have the biggest impact. Section 8. A call to action. Empower your health journey. Now, as we wrap up, I want you to take a moment to reflect on the simple yet profound message we've explored today. Your health and well-being aren't solely dependent on expensive supplements or cutting-edge technology. Often, the key to revitalizing your energy, reducing pain, and supporting your body's natural functions is right in front of you. It might just be a small box of baking soda waiting to be rediscovered. If you're over 50 and you've felt that your body isn't performing as it once did, perhaps it's time to consider this accessible, science-backed remedy. I encourage you to try incorporating a small amount of baking soda into your daily routine, whether as a gentle drink or a relaxing soak, and observe the changes in your body. In a world that often tells us to constantly search for the next big thing, let this be a reminder that sometimes, the answers are hidden in plain sight. Take control of your health with simple, deliberate actions. This isn't about radical changes overnight, it's about small steps that, over time, lead to lasting improvements in your quality of life. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever used baking soda for any of these purposes? What benefits have you noticed, or are you curious to try? Please share your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community that values both modern science and timeless wisdom. Conclusion: a journey back to simple health solutions. In conclusion, we've taken a journey through the surprising benefits of baking soda. From its ability to ease joint pain and curb inflammation to its role in revving up metabolism, supporting detoxification, and boosting energy. We've seen how a substance that many of us overlook in our daily lives can become a powerful tool in our quest for better health, especially as we age. Remember, embracing health doesn't require complicated diets or expensive treatments. Sometimes, it's about rethinking what's already in your kitchen and rediscovering its potential. With its rich history, practical applications, and science-backed benefits, baking soda is a reminder that effective, natural health solutions often lie in simplicity. Your journey to better health is a personal one. It's about listening to your body, making informed choices, and taking small, consistent actions that accumulate over time. Today, I've shared with you one of those simple actions. Now, the choice is yours. Will you give this unassuming ingredient a chance to support your wellness journey? If you found value in this video, please consider sharing it with friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from a fresh perspective on natural health remedies. Let's spread the word that sometimes, the most profound solutions are those that have been quietly working for us all along. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of baking soda's remarkable potential. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and practical advice on living well, aging gracefully, and harnessing the wisdom of simple, natural remedies. Remember, every small step counts when it comes to reclaiming your health. Until next time, take care of yourself with patience, kindness, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing that sometimes, the simplest solutions can be the most powerful. Your health journey is a lifelong adventure. Make it one of empowerment, wisdom, and self-care. This concludes our deep dive into the amazing benefits of baking soda. I hope you're as inspired as I am by how such a common product can be a game-changer for your health. Stay curious, stay proactive, and always remember, sometimes the best remedies are right under your nose, waiting to be rediscovered.